So closing out an experience again with using a business lease rental. Behind me, I have two options. I can either go buy a brand new car, that you all can see right now. I can buy a brand new car, or I can just go right over here to Avis. It's right there, to the Avis sign, probably backwards, you can't see it. I can go over to the Avis and just lease the car for my business for that specific time, day, or that hour, whatever it is. So me, I've been able to actually calculate how much more money I've saved by not even buying a car or a vehicle. Now, I'm walking right now because I'm walking to my office. That's probably less than a mile, but I have no problem with walking. It's just the fact of seeing when to walk, when to have a car, when to use a car. If you're getting a write-off for your business, it will always benefit you to have that. So even if you spend money, you're actually getting it back as an investment to your business. So I'm just basically making it plain that you all have to look at this perspective and practice it, and use your houses the same way. You got to use your cars, your houses. All these things will start to add up into utilizing your own delivery service business as a driver. Checking out. Talk to you soon.